Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really fun layered paper craft for you. This is my summer layered paper craft. How cool is this design? You have obviously the word summer spelled out, you have the little flamingo, the watermelon, the little leaf, you have the cool sunglasses, an ice cream cone, and another slice of fruit. Just a really fun design. This one would be perfect on a card or even in some sort of decor. Would be really fun, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, foam squares if you wish to add some dimension between the different layers, and some cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Summer Craft Party 2026. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I've sized this design to fit within an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock. If you want to use this on a card or for a different purpose, you can go ahead and change the sizing here in the sizing window. Just make sure to leave those proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Alright, I've gone ahead and cut everything out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now we do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the white, pink, light blue, yellow, red, green, and then the darker blue. Like I said in the beginning, you can add foam squares if you want to do that. I'm going to go ahead and just layer everything together. I will speed up the video just a little bit and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there we have our really cute summer layered paper craft. Well, what did you think of this one? Wouldn't it be really cute on a card? I think so. I hope that you like it too. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Summer Craft Party video. Bye-bye.